Okay, we are in Tallulah, Louisiana. Just did shift change. Chris munching her little salad. Alize sitting on the floor begging for handouts. She ain't begging, but she sits there calmly. Yes, she likes salad, as previously mentioned. And we're heading west on 20, going to Riverside, California. 1,721 miles to go. They ain't have to get there.
US 65.
Shouldn't be no problem. We picked up our load this morning, and it was a little bit heavy. Not a lot, just a few 100 pounds, so we went back. Fortunately, the Catskill's only 2 miles away. Got them to take a little bit off.
In 1/2 mile,
Bumpy
turn
road.
left on I-20 west.
Went back and rescaled. And now we're rolling. Get these mirrors adjusted right. They're still set for a short person. Chris got some rain earlier. And as you'll see in the upcoming 3 segments. How bad the roads are in Mississippi, and they're really not much better here.
Turn left on I-20 west.
Got a sore back from all the bouncing around today. When you're loaded heavy, your suspension is stiffer. We have automatic load levelers, airbags, on these trucks. That's part of the suspension. And the more weight on the truck, the more pressure is inside the airbags. And the more pressure, the stiffer the suspension gets. So the more you feel the bumps. Mississippi, especially around Jackson, really bad. Parts of Louisiana are
on I-20.
all right. We will. Louisiana's not good. Once we get to Texas, we got a pretty smooth ride. We are 363 miles from Dallas right now. As soon as I see a yardstick, because I didn't pay attention to that earlier, let's see, we're 50 miles from Duck Dynasty territory, Monroe, Louisiana. Actually, West Monroe is where they are. She don't like them. 170 miles to Texas, and the next 13 miles bear crossings. I guess the bears can read the signs. Cross here, not there. And all my years of driving, I've only seen one bear cross the road, and that was in Colorado, about 40 miles west of Denver. That's not downtown Denver, that's the outskirts of Denver. Up near the area where they have the Wild Buffalo overlook. wild buffalo on the road, thanks to the Theodore Roosevelt Rest Area in South Dakota. North Dakota on Interstate 94. They have wild buffalo running around the park out there. The rest area is built into the park, and they come into the parking lot. Which, the first time we ran into them, scared the heck out of Chris, because she's on the phone with her mom. I got her posing for pictures, and they were approaching. After that, she got used to them. And,
yeah, ride them now.
yeah, right. But, see plenty of deer, seen doll sheep, bighorn sheep. More antelope than I can count. And I can count pretty high. But only one bear, and I have never, with all the runs down to Florida, never, ever, ever, ever seen an alligator trying to cross the road or alongside the road. We did see one down in Louisiana, outside New Orleans, crossing a bridge. We were looking down in the water and saw one swimming around. That's it. But there's a rest area on US 17 just north of Miami. Not rest area, truck stop, sorry. A truck stop on US 17 just north of Miami. I can't remember the name of it. But they got a nice little tiki hut cafe and bar. The food selection isn't large, but it's good. And their sweet potato fries are awesome. But every now and then there'll be alligators walking through the parking lot there. So we need to get down there more often so we can set up and try to film those for you. But anyway, that'll do it for right now. I will leave the dash cam on, and we will go into high-speed mode. Actually, not right now. We're not going to do that. We're going to play Chris's 3 clips that she filmed earlier right now.
Oh, you're right. but talk now. Say something. Oops. This is the Mississippi Bridge. I guess I'll turn it off. Floyd's listening to something.
Alrighty, here we go. We're just about there. Almost there. What are we waiting for? Come on. We're gonna do it. I know we can do it. Welcome to Texas. We're right on the line here. Bump, bump. Texas travel info rest area. And there's a sign. There's a sign. There it is. And ba-dum. We are now officially in Texas. Yay! Smoother roads, better rest. I like Texas. Now we're stuck in Texas for a full day, 900 and something miles. Oh boy. Okay, we are in Big Spring, Texas. 1,091 miles to go. So I think I did 630 something last night. And it's time for shift change. Well, actually it's 5:30 a.m. So I'm going to start working on this vlog, getting it edited up. Made a stop at Walmart last night. Got some whole bunch of assorted fruit. Make up a fruit thing. And Chris will enjoy that. So I gotta wake her up in a half hour. And then she'll get ready and we'll have shift change and be on my way. So click the like if you like. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.